First time to walk my cats outside our house. Come on, let's go. Let's do this. They're being curious what's happening. The other one wants to go back. The other one just sitting down there. Walking my cats for the first time out of our room. Hopefully they will walk outside. This one is being lazy and the other one being curious and crazy. Let's go, girls. Let's walk. Hopefully I can convince them to walk. Let's go. Come on. Seriously? They want to go back. This one want to go back. Ano na? It's a fail, guys. Chloe being curious. Smell, smell, smell. You can smell the pee? That's life to be in the outside world, baby. Us outside. See? This one is chilling. This one wants to go back home. See? You see Cleo? She's just enjoying her life. And you? Seriously? We are just outside, not walking. Just laying down and sitting. Cleo, Cleo, Cleo. Oh yes, I love my stretch. I miss my bed. Ready to walk? Oh yeah. I'm wrong. Cleo, Cleo, Cleopatra. Stretch, more stretch. I need more stretch. We're walking. Oh yes, definitely we're walking. Go back home, come on. Tara na. Tara na. Tara. Uy. Sayang pagpaligo sa'yo, Cleo. Yala. Buti pa si Chloe naglalakad. Ano na ba? Come on, walk. Walk, both of you. Walk. Walk. Cleo.